Navigating the shift from traditional to future-ready enterprises. Imagine a world where your business decisions are guided by real-time data, your teams collaborate seamlessly across continents, and customer needs are anticipated before they're voiced. This isn't a vision of the distant future, it's the reality that digital transformation promises today. But turning that promise into action isn't just about adopting new tools. It requires bold leadership, agile execution, and strategic project management. In a landscape where technology evolves faster than strategy, mastering digital transformation project management is the key to staying relevant and competitive. In today's fast-paced digital economy, transformation is no longer a luxury, it's a business imperative. Companies that once dominated markets with physical infrastructure and traditional business models are now being outpaced by nimble, tech-driven competitors. The fourth industrial revolution has introduced technologies like artificial intelligence, cloud computing, big data, and the Internet of Things, IoT, fundamentally changing the way organizations operate, engage customers, and deliver value. However, implementing these technologies isn't enough. True digital transformation demands a holistic shift that involves rethinking business processes, company culture, leadership approaches, and customer relationships. At the heart of this evolution lies digital transformation project management, a strategic discipline that guides organizations through the chaos of change. It ensures that digital initiatives are not just implemented, but embraced, aligned with core objectives, and capable of delivering measurable impact. Whether you're revamping your supply chain, building a data-driven culture, or launching a customer-facing app, digital transformation project management turns vision into value, step by strategic step. Core phases of digital transformation project management. 1. Vision and leadership alignment. Every successful digital transformation begins with a clearly defined vision. Organizations must articulate strategic objectives such as enhancing customer experience, increasing operational efficiency, or creating new revenue streams. This vision must be championed by top leadership, ensuring executive sponsorship and strong C-level alignment. With leadership backing in place, a comprehensive digital roadmap should be developed to outline the transformation journey, including major milestones, deliverables, and timelines. 2. Assessment and readiness check. Before launching any initiative, organizations must assess their current state. This involves a digital maturity assessment to understand where the organization stands in terms of technology, people, and processes. Identifying existing gaps in infrastructure, workforce capabilities, and internal processes is critical to determine what must change. Additionally, establishing strong governance structures early ensures clarity in roles, responsibilities, and decision-making throughout the transformation. 3. Technology and vendor selection. Choosing the right technological foundation is a make-or-break step. Organizations should prioritize scalable, cloud-native, and interoperable platforms that can grow with business needs. A key decision is whether to build custom solutions or buy existing tools, a decision influenced by cost, time to market, and flexibility. Regardless of choice, cybersecurity and compliance must be top priorities, especially in regulated industries where data integrity and privacy are paramount. 4. Agile implementation and iteration. Traditional waterfall methods often fail to keep up with the dynamic nature of digital transformation. Agile methodologies, particularly Scrum, enable teams to deliver minimum viable products, MVPs, quickly and improve them through short iterative cycles. Feedback loops with end users are vital to fine-tune functionalities. Integrating DevOps practices further enhances delivery speed and reliability by streamlining development and operations through continuous integration and deployment pipelines. 5. Change management and adoption. Technology adoption hinges on people, not just systems. Transparent and continuous communication is essential to manage expectations and reduce resistance. Employees must be trained to adopt new tools and processes, with learning resources embedded into their workflow. Identifying and empowering change champions across departments can build grassroots support, encouraging wider cultural acceptance of the transformation. 6. Measurement and optimization. Ongoing measurement ensures that digital initiatives remain aligned with business objectives. Key performance indicators, KPIs, such as digital adoption rates, customer satisfaction, and return on investment, ROI, help track progress. Organizations should continuously monitor usage data, gather user feedback, and assess operational impact. These insights feed into ongoing optimizations, ensuring the transformation delivers long-term value. Common challenges in digital transformation projects. One of the most significant hurdles is resistance to change. Employees often feel threatened by automation or fear their roles will become obsolete. Alongside this is the burden of legacy systems, which are often incompatible with modern digital platforms, slowing down innovation and integration. Another issue is unclear ownership, as digital transformation touches multiple departments and can lead to confusion about accountability. Budget constraints also present a challenge. Digital projects often require significant upfront investment, making stakeholders hesitant without clear ROI. Finally, the talent gap is a critical concern. Organizations struggle to find skilled professionals in areas like AI, data science, and cloud architecture. Best practices for digital transformation project management. To navigate these challenges, organizations should start small and scale fast. Launching pilot projects helps demonstrate value quickly and builds confidence for broader rollouts. A customer-first mentality should guide every decision, ensuring that digital tools enhance user experience and satisfaction. It's also essential to empower cross-functional teams by reducing bureaucracy and promoting agile collaboration. Advanced techniques like digital twins and simulations can be used for modeling scenarios and reducing uncertainty. Above all, data-driven decision-making must be at the heart of the transformation, guiding priorities and validating outcomes through metrics and analysis. Tools and platforms commonly used for project execution and tracking, tools like Jira, Asana, Trello, and Microsoft Project are popular. These integrate well with collaboration platforms such as Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Confluence, which facilitate real-time communication and documentation. To support user onboarding and product adoption, digital enablement platforms like WalkMe, Whatfix, and Pendo are frequently employed. Change management frameworks such as ProSci-EdCar and Kotter's 8-step change model help guide cultural and organizational adaptation. Cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud Platform provide the scalable infrastructure needed to support transformation at scale. Real-world examples of digital transformation. IKEA transformed its supply chain using real-time logistics and automation, significantly improving operational responsiveness. Starbucks leveraged artificial intelligence in its mobile app to personalize customer interactions, boosting loyalty and engagement. Meanwhile, Siemens implemented smart factories powered by IoT and AI to enable predictive maintenance and maximize production efficiency. These examples show how strategic project management enables technology to translate into tangible business value. As organizations navigate the complexities of digital disruption, the role of the project manager evolves from task executor to transformation leader. Success in digital transformation isn't defined solely by finishing projects on time or on budget, but by delivering sustainable innovation, driving adoption, and creating lasting competitive advantage. It requires a deep understanding of both emerging technologies and human dynamics, a fusion of tech savviness and emotional intelligence. Ultimately, digital transformation is not a finish line. It's a perpetual journey of adaptation and reinvention. Organizations that master the art of managing digital change will not only survive, they will lead. For project managers, this means embracing new methodologies, championing change, and staying relentlessly focused on outcomes that matter. The future belongs to those who don't just manage projects, but architect transformation.